Welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you how to loop the rows and columns of an Excel file. We have an Excel file here. This contains a table. We have 2 columns and 10 rows. We want to build the loop for this table. Table is in sheet 1. Copy the path of the Excel file. Add a read range activity. Enter the path. Create a variable for the table. This is of the type DataTable. Add a for each row activity. Enter the DataTable variable. Add 2 WriteLine activities. In the first activity, we want to write the data from the first column in the console. We can read the data from the column based on the name of the column. For this we write the following statement. In this activity, we want to read the data from the second column. Now the code is ready. I run the code to see the result in the console. As you can see, the data from the table is entered in the console. Now I will read the data again, but this time using the index of the column. The first column has the index 0. The second column has the index 1. I run the code again. As you can see, the result is the same again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to see more videos.